We love tech. We live and breathe it. From the latest AI models to the blazing fast chips in our pockets, we're constantly pushing boundaries. But what if, in our relentless pursuit of innovation, we're overlooking a darker truth? What if the very tools we champion are quietly, or not so quietly, harming us, our society, and our planet? Welcome back, fellow tech enthusiasts. We're here because we're fascinated by innovation, by what's next. But today, we're not just admiring the gleaming surface. We're cutting through the hype to confront the uncomfortable truths, the powerful, often unseen, ways the very technology we champion is reshaping, and sometimes damaging, our lives, our society, and our world. It's time for a critical upgrade in our understanding. Let's start with what many of us intellectually grasp, but perhaps don't fully internalize: data privacy and surveillance capitalism. For techies, it's not just about Facebook knowing your cat preferences. It's about the intricate web of third-party trackers, opaque algorithms, and the monetization of every digital footprint we leave. We understand APIs, SDKs, and data lakes. But consider how granular this data collection truly is. Our habits, our browse history, our physical locations, all aggregated, analyzed, and used to build incredibly detailed profiles. This isn't just for targeted ads, it's influencing our news feeds, shaping our opinions, and in some cases, even dictating access to services or credit scores. The black box problem of AI means we often don't truly understand how these decisions are being made, or what biases are baked into the data. As tech enthusiasts, we're not just users. We're often the architects or early adopters, making our awareness even more critical. Next, let's talk about the silent epidemic affecting countless individuals, including many within our own ranks: the impact on mental health. We're digital natives, accustomed to constant connectivity. But this always-on culture, fueled by notification pings and algorithmic engagement loops, is literally rewiring our brains. For us, it might be the pressure to keep up with the latest dev tools, the endless stream of industry news, or the comparison culture of online tech communities. The dopamine hits from likes and shares are scientifically engineered to be addictive. Excessive screen time leads to sleep disruption, increased anxiety, fear of missing out (FOMO), and even exacerbates feelings of isolation despite being connected. It's a feedback loop, feeling lonely, so we turn to screens, which can then make us feel even more lonely. We know the algorithms are designed for engagement, but at what human cost? Our passion for the latest and greatest gadgets has a tangible, often devastating, impact on our planet. We're talking about EWaste and the environmental footprint of technology. Every new smartphone, every server farm, every AI training model requires vast amounts of raw materials, often rare earth elements mined in ethically questionable conditions, and when these devices reach their end of life, the problem explodes. EWaste is the fastest-growing waste stream globally. In 2022 alone, 62 million tons of e-waste were produced, and less than a quarter was formally collected and recycled. This waste leaches toxic chemicals like lead, mercury, and cadmium into our soil and water, poisoning ecosystems and disproportionately affecting vulnerable communities involved in informal recycling. As tech consumers, and often early adopters, our upgrade cycles directly contribute to this massive environmental burden. Beyond the individual, technology casts a long shadow on society. Consider job displacement due to automation and AI. While new jobs are created, they often require different skill sets, leaving segments of the workforce behind. We, as tech enthusiasts, might be on the creating side of these changes, but understanding the societal ripple effect is crucial. Then there's the insidious spread of misinformation and algorithmic polarization. We've seen how social media platforms, driven by engagement metrics, can amplify extreme views and create echo chambers, making genuine dialogue incredibly difficult. The very tools designed to connect us can inadvertently divide us. The rise of sophisticated AI tools also brings concerns around deepfakes, autonomous weapons, and the very definition of truth. So, where does this leave us, the tech enthusiasts who genuinely believe in the power of innovation to improve lives? It leaves us with a responsibility to be aware and informed. Understand the full life cycle and impact of the tech we use and build. Demand transparency, push for ethical AI, clearer data practices, and explainable algorithms. Practice mindful consumption, support sustainable tech, consider repair over replacement, and manage our own digital well-being. Advocate for regulation, encourage policies that prioritize privacy, ethical development, and environmental protection. Technology is not inherently good or evil. It's a tool, a powerful extension of human intent. It's up to us, the informed users and creators, to steer its evolution towards a future where innovation serves humanity without inadvertently harming it. What are your biggest concerns about technology's harmful aspects? How do you think we can build a more responsible tech future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, hit that like button, subscribe to Future Tech and AI for more deep dives into the world of tech, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. See you in the next video.